Our Team 7 coverage continues now with 7 News Detroit reporter Tiara Braddock.
Tiara is out in Oakland County with a live look at road conditions in Farmington Hills. What are you seeing, Tiara?
Well, right now I am on Grand River and things aren't looking too bad right now. As you can see, the snow is cleared up right here. Now we have been on some side roads and that hasn't been the case. Obviously, neighborhoods are sometimes the last things to get plowed, but the main roads are looking good. Now, I did speak to a resident who lived in Birmingham who was telling me earlier about the roads this morning, and also spoke to Craig Bryson from the Road Commission of Oakland County about how long the cleanup process might be, especially as we expect more snow tomorrow. Hear what they had to say.
Roads this morning were pretty bad, pretty much snow covered. Traffic was going slow, but it was Michigan in January.
It's a long cleanup process. We'll be focusing on the main roads first. Once we get the main roads all clear, then we start to focus on the side streets and the subdivision streets. But it may be a couple of days till we start to get into the subdivision.
And as you can see, the side streets are still packed with some snow. So make sure you pack some patience tomorrow, especially if we get hit with another snowstorm like this one. You want to make sure you're not caught off guard and you're staying safe. Carolyn, Mike.
All right, Tiara, you all do the same. Slow down and stay safe out there. Thank you so much for the live report.